Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are making a refreshing protein-rich salad perfect for clean eating, glowing skin and weight management. It's loaded with fiber, packed with nutrients and topped with a creamy homemade mayonnaise that is made without oil or eggs. Quick, wholesome and super satisfying, so let's get started. We are starting by prepping our base ingredients: lettuce, cucumber, onion, lemon, cherry tomatoes and apple. All of these go into a bowl of water with a bit of salt. Let them soak for a few minutes. This helps remove any dirt or residue from the surface. Since we are using most of these with the skin on, washing them properly is required. Next, we take one onion, trim off the top and bottom, peel it and cut it into halves. Each half is then sliced into medium thick pieces. No need to go too thin. Now place these slices in a bowl of water and give them a nice rinse. This simple step helps reduce the sharpness of the onion and brings out a sweeter flavor. Gently separate the onion strands so they mix well into the salad later. Take a cucumber, trim off both the ends. Now cut it into diced pieces. These add a crisp texture and keep the salad light and hydrating. Cut the apple into halves, then quarters. Remove the seeds and chop it into bite-sized cubes. Next, take 8 to 10 cherry tomatoes and slice them in half. For the greens, we are using fresh lettuce. Roughly chop it into smaller pieces so it's easier to toss and eat. Add in some mint leaves and coriander, finely chopped. Now for the protein element, we are using paneer. Paneer adds richness and keeps you full longer, making the salad ideal for lunch or post-workout meals. Take a wide salad bowl or tray and add all your prepped ingredients: diced apples, cucumber, paneer cubes, lettuce, cherry tomatoes, onion strands, chopped mint and coriander. Add some salt and black pepper to taste. Squeeze in the juice of one lemon over the top. Now it's time for our homemade mayonnaise. This mayonnaise is made from just a few clean, nutritious ingredients: boiled cashews, paneer and milk. That's it. No oil, no eggs, no preservatives, just creamy, healthy goodness. If you'd like to watch the full step-by-step recipe for this mayonnaise, I've added the video link in the description. Do check it out. And that's it. Our vibrant, high-protein salad with homemade mayonnaise is ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who loves healthy food, and don't forget to subscribe to the Yummy Vibes for more delicious and nourishing recipes. See you in the next one. Take care and happy eating.